Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to a new video. Alright, today I'm pretty excited because after a very long time, I'm doing a car shoot for say, and it's a truck for the first time. So I've never done it. This is Ibrahim, and I'll show you his car and we'll quickly do like a first sound check. He's telling me it's pretty loud, yeah? It's very loud, so without wasting any time, let's go. Alright, can you give it a start? Hold up. Holy shit! Can you rev it once? One more. Okay. Little bit. Crazy. Bro, mashallah, that's mad. I don't know if you do that. Your shit. वो पॉप्स क्या था? मैं उन्हें मेरे को बोला पॉप्स सुनते क्या? बोला श्योर मैं नहीं सुनता इतने कंटिन्यूस. Bro, I just drove the truck and it's so crazy, mashallah. Pops are उसमें. Thank you to Ibrahim. And we're gonna go to the desert in a while. Mashallah, one of the best shoots ever. इतनी crazy गाड़ी है mashallah. Look at this. Yeah. थोड़ा चढ़ना मुश्किल है लेकिन it's very high and he's been telling me कि I'm not physical enough to climb this car. You're in the natural habitat now for Raptor. डेजर्ट में आए थे एंड ट्रक फंस गई डेजर्ट में. मैं एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं करा था फंस सकती ट्रक, बट सऊदी हॉस्पिटैलिटी ब्रो. इतने सारे लोग लेके 3-4 गाड़ियाँ रुक गया हेल्प करने. टायर फ्लैट हो गया, हवा निकालने गाड़ी को. लोग उन्हें बोल रहा था मतलब डेजर्ट में. नो बैड ड्यून में. तो यहाँ पर गाड़ियाँ ठहरे हुए हैं फ्राइडे आज, इसलिए फ्रिकिन यहाँ डोनट्स हो रहे हैं डेजर्ट के रैली जैसा. लुक एट दिस, फर्स्ट टाइम मैं देख रहा हूँ. Ibrahim bought us ice cream as well. Perfect Friday after लोगों का शूट हो गया. We just got done. It's sunset and he's leaving. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Inshallah next time with the Corvette.
Yeah, sure,
Inshallah.
sure.
Alright, खत्म हो गया पहला truck shoot. As you can see, sunset हो गया पीछे. And the guy was really nice. बहुत humble, very accommodating, open to ideas. गाड़ी भी चलाने दिया उन्हें and it was hell of fun. थोड़ी चीज़ें उसके लिए shoot करे, थोड़ी चीज़ें मेरे लिए, which will be up on the shorts in a few days. And yeah, that's it for this video. As always, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.